Want to move your DeepSeek AI results to Microsoft Word or Google Docs instantly? You're in the perfect place. Let's walk through it. Step 1. Create your content in DeepSeek AI. Start by asking DeepSeek AI to generate your desired text, be it a blog post, story, or academic paper. Once the content appears, you're ready for the next move. Step 2. Highlight and copy the text. Click and drag to select the content you want, then hit Ctrl-C or Command-C on Mac to copy it, or just right-click and choose Copy from the menu. Step 3. Paste into Word or Google Docs. Open a fresh document in Word or Google Docs. Click inside the document and press Ctrl-V or Command-V. Now head to Microsoft Word or Google Docs, place your cursor where you want the text, and paste using Ctrl-V or Command-V on Mac. That's it. Your content is in. If things look weird, try right-clicking Paste without formatting or Keep text only in Word to fix the layout. And that's how you copy from DeepSeek AI to Word or Docs in a single step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Catch you in the next one.